The United States has interfered in Haiti's politics on multiple occasions throughout history. Here are some key points. 2009 unlawful parliamentary elections. In 2009, the U.S. undermined Haiti's democracy by providing political and financial support to unlawful parliamentary elections held in April and June. These elections illegally excluded several political parties, including Haiti's largest political party, Famille Lavalas/1/. Historical context. The U.S. did not recognize Haitian independence until 1862, almost 60 years after independence. After that point, however, the U.S. and other European powers focused their attention on exploiting Haiti/2. Current crisis. Haiti has been facing a long-simmering crisis, exacerbated by decades of political disruption, a series of natural disasters, and a power vacuum left by the assassination of democratically elected President Jovenel Moïse in 2021. The country's elected officials have dwindled, and armed groups have taken control of at least 80% of the capital, Port-au-Prince. These groups, including paramilitary forces and former police officers, have been responsible for increased violence, including killings, kidnappings, and rapes. 3. Humanitarian emergency. Haiti's ability to govern itself has come into question, and its people are facing dire circumstances, including starvation and fear of rampant violence. The idea of a transitional government brokered by outsiders, rather than Haitians themselves, has contributed to the crisis. Humanitarian workers and residents have called for Haitian-led solutions. 3. In summary, the U.S. has played a significant role in Haiti's political history, both through direct interference and historical dynamics. Last week, President Biden authorized Secretary Blinken to provide $10 million in aid, including weapons and ammunition, to the Haitian National Police to combat armed gangs. This marks a significant shift in bilateral cooperation with the U.S., which previously focused on non-lethal support. The aid package aims to enhance Haiti's capacity to combat criminal activity and protect civilians and critical infrastructure. The funding, drawn from Department of Homeland Security surplus inventories, may include weapons, ammunition, body armor, and helmets. White House Press Secretary Karine Jean-Pierre stated that the assistance is intended to help restore security and the rule of law in Haiti while supporting a peaceful transition of power. America, the Haitians people are not asking for your help. You have been helping since the time you have occupied U.S. Look where we are right now. You are providing arms to a corrupt government and supporting the ruling class. You know you're causing more harm than good. One of the reasons you have an immigration problem is because of your foreign policy. What the Haitian people want is for them to be able to elect their president without your interference. We will overcome.